Come check out this electric toothbrush with me.
What I love about this electric toothbrush is that it is eco-friendly. It has bamboo brush heads, multiple different modes, and a smart timer. This is what that main toothbrush looks like. It is so pretty. I love the black, and that sparkle is stunning. You get instructions on how to use your electric toothbrush. You get a Type-C charger to charge your toothbrush with, and then you get 4 of the bamboo heads, and these are what they look like. These are absolutely beautiful. Those bristles are really soft. I'm super excited to continue using this. To put on your brush head, you just simply attach it to the top here. To turn your brush head on, just hold the power button. It tells you your battery life down here when you turn it on, and you have all of these different modes. It starts you off on polish, and as you can see, it has a really good vibration to help clean your teeth. To change your modes, just press this power button. This one is the milder mode. Then you have the sensitive mode, clean, white, and then the polish. To turn your toothbrush off, just press and hold that power button down.
You are still able to use this electric toothbrush even if you have braces. It is just going to wear your toothbrush bristles down a bit faster, but I'm seriously so impressed with this. This electric toothbrush does have a smart timer. It goes off after 2 minutes of brushing. It does give you a pause reminder after every 30 seconds, which is so incredible. I'm so impressed with this toothbrush, so if you're in the market for a new electric toothbrush, go check this one out today.